I just bought this. I think it's really, really nice. But if I have this as my base, okay, I can sell this. Maybe I want to do a big poster. Then maybe I want to do a bag. Then maybe I want to do a t-shirt. So from one element, you can make maybe 10. It's like having a library of images, an archive of really rich imagery. Just imagine how different elements can be used. You could work with just the paintings on this wall, maybe for 1 year, producing interesting things. You put all the different items together, they look like they're from 5 different places. They need to have a more coherent look. So maybe somewhere on every product, we need the logo. So then if I see this, then at least I know it's coming from here. Branding, branding, branding. It's about repetition. Each brand has a specific color. So if you use this color and this logo, then everything's gonna look, just making sure that things look more natural. A lot of work and a lot of going to see museums, galleries, art, traveling, and also maybe go and see the graduate shows, like at Hangzhou, China Academy of Art. Every summer, have lots of different tools, and all the painting, drawing, AI, Photoshop, photos, everything is valuable. So the composition of the painting is really interesting. And also the prawns, the seafood. Well, Ningbo is very well known for its seafood, right? Yeah. I'm obsessed with books and painting and history and also the making of books. So when we went to the bookshop, I was very happy. Lots of beautiful techniques, beautiful books, where we're combining Parisian couture with traditional Chinese clothing techniques.